So you want to be a Power BI developer. You're going to need some hardware, aren't you? One of the questions I get asked, what do I need to be a great developer? Alright lads and lasses, welcome along. Hardware specs for Power BI desktop, right? Big topic. Seems to be one almost everyone says, hey, what do I need to get? What should I buy? Do I need this? Do I need that? Right? Honestly, keep it dead simple, right? 1, CPU. Make sure you've got at least 8 threads, right? So an 8-thread CPU. So an i7 or above if you're on the Intel side, or you want to be looking at a lot of the AMDs. AMD, is it 7s, not 5s and above? You can tell I don't know the AMD side as well as I should, right? I will be switching over to AMD. I'm telling you that now. So, you know, my laptop's Intel, my desktop that I'm shooting all this on, we're going to switch that to AMD. Right? The thread count on AMD is just way better. RAM is the next thing, right? How much RAM you're going to need for a computer doing Power BI desktop work, doing Power BI development work. For Power BI desktop itself, the app, right, you will probably never find that you're going to need more than 8 gigabytes. I'll tell you that for now, right? However, if you are going to do proper development cycles against a proper database source or something like that, right, chances are you're going to be wanting to run something from there, yeah? Like SQL Service Management Studio or, you know, Report Creator or anything like that. Yeah, you know, like Power BI Report Builder, like the paginated report builder. If you're running additional stuff, that adds to your requirements, yeah? So I would probably recommend minimum RAM of 16 gigabytes recommended. My recommendation, right, based on my experience, right? 8 will be fine though if it's just Power BI desktop and hey, look, I'm using Excel spreadsheets, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, right? 8's going to be fine. You'll be able to manage with 8 all day long. If you want to go up beyond there, you know, like 32, 64, 128 gigs of RAM, mate, you ain't going to use it. I mean, you know, if you can convince your boss to buy it for you, great. But, you know, it's a vanity machine, mate. I mean, I used to think 32 gigs was the right level to aim at. But honestly, the more I've done with this, and especially now we're doing more in Azure with data flows and things like that, it's 16's probably fine. And you'll find most laptops, i7 comes with 16 gig of RAM. That'll run it till the cows come home. The last thing, point 3, that you need to think through, right, is your drive, okay? Div not use a mechanical hard drive, right, with Power BI. Forget it, right? If all's well and good, yeah, you shouldn't be using it anyway, so that's fine. But when you start to get bigger file sizes, you know, it suddenly becomes really painful. So my advice, M.2, if you can get it, solid state as a bare minimum though, yeah? But an M.2 NVMe quick drive is going to be perfect for you, okay? I've seen a lot of people talking, you know, this, right? Those 3 things will cover you, right? So decent 8-thread plus CPU, 16 gigs of RAM, and an M.2 NVMe drive, and you will be a Power BI developer, my friend. Champion. Have a great week. Ta-da!